Akita as working dogs, their versatile abilities. When it comes to working dogs, the Akita immediately stands out for its versatile abilities and incredible work ethic. Originating from Japan, this breed has a long history of serving various roles, making it a popular choice for many working dog enthusiasts. In this article, we will explore the unique characteristics and skills that make the Akita excel in different working roles, from search and rescue to therapy work. 1. Guarding and protection. One of the most well-known roles for Akitas is their ability to protect and guard. Bred originally as guard dogs for Japanese nobility, Akitas have a natural instinct to protect their families and territories. With their strong senses and fearless nature, Akitas make excellent watchdogs, deterring intruders and providing a strong level of security. Their loyalty and protective nature make them an ideal choice for guarding homes, properties, and even livestock. 2. Search and rescue. Akitas have proven themselves to be exceptional search and rescue dogs. Their sharp intellect, determination, and keen sense of smell enable them to track and locate missing persons in a variety of settings. Whether it's searching for survivors in natural disasters or locating lost hikers in the wilderness, Akitas have shown remarkable capabilities in finding people when time is of the essence. Their strength and endurance are also advantageous in navigating challenging terrains, making them a valuable asset in search and rescue operations. 3. Therapy and assistance work. Despite their imposing appearance, Akitas can also excel in therapy and assistance work. Their calm and gentle demeanor, combined with their ability to form deep bonds with humans, makes them the perfect therapy dog candidate. Akitas have been known to provide comfort and emotional support to individuals in nursing homes, hospitals, and even schools. Additionally, their intelligence and versatility make them suitable for tasks such as guiding the visually impaired or assisting individuals with disabilities. 4. Law enforcement. Akitas have proven themselves to be valuable assets in law enforcement agencies. With their natural protective instincts, sharp senses, and high level of intelligence, they excel in roles such as K-9 units and narcotics detection. Akita's strong work ethic, coupled with their ability to remain focused under pressure, make them reliable partners for law enforcement officers. Their presence alone can often be enough to deter criminal activity, making them a visible and formidable force in maintaining law and order. 5. Competitive sports. Akitas have also made their mark in various competitive sports. Their athleticism, agility, and drive to work make them excellent candidates for activities such as obedience trials, agility courses, and even weight-pulling competitions. Akitas have shown their ability to perform at a high level, demonstrating their versatility and adaptability in different sporting disciplines. These activities not only provide physical exercise for the dogs, but also strengthen the bond between Akitas and their handlers. The Akita's versatile abilities make them well-suited for various working roles. Whether it's protecting homes, searching for missing persons, providing therapy to individuals in need, assisting those with disabilities, or serving in law enforcement, Akitas exhibit exceptional skills and devotion in every task they undertake. Their unique combination of strength, intelligence, and loyalty sets them apart in the world of working dogs. If you are considering a dog that can excel in multiple roles, the Akita should